Good day to everyone. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. I'm Nandan.
I'm Pranav.
I'm Leysha.
We are from class 9 Exeter Public School, Mysore.
Today we are talking about a project which is very close to our heart.
We chose the theme Others.
We worked on the problem statement, design a system to improve ration distribution in India.
Fair price shops, crucial to the public distribution system, aim to assist people nationwide. However, challenges like corruption and limited operating hours persist, making it difficult for individuals to access their necessities.
Engaging directly with communities, we discovered that fair price shops, crucial for the public distribution system, face challenges such as corruption and limited operating hours. Notably, the majority of people collecting ration were identified as daily wage laborers who frequently migrate for work, posing a significant hurdle in accessing these essential shops.
Our online investigation unveiled that there are more than 5 lakh plus fair price shops nationwide. Our automated system offers an efficient alternative, eliminating the need for personal involvement in managing these crucial outlets.
Introducing our autonomous access system, operational 24/7 without human mediation. Users receive unique RFID cards coupled with the fingerprint scanner and OTP for secure verification.
Our solution addresses existing challenges, offering a professional and efficient way for individuals and families to access services effortlessly, embrace innovation, reliability, and convenience with our system.
Now, let's dive into the operational details of this innovative project. An LCD display will guide the user through the process. The LCD display prompts the user to scan the RFID card. The user will then proceed to scan their cards.
It will then ask the user to scan the finger on the fingerprint scanner. If the fingerprint is verified, an SMS containing the OTP is sent to the user's registered mobile number via the SIM module.
Subsequently, the LCD display prompts the user to enter the OTP using the keypad module.
If the OTP is authorized, the allotted ration will carefully be poured into the placed container on the weighing scale. In our prototype, a 3D printed trapdoor controlled by a servo motor is connected to a grain-filled funnel. Positioned at the bottom, the load cell records readings and displays it. The trapdoor automatically closes upon reaching the predefined weight, streamlining the dispensing process with user-friendly automation.
The LCD display informs the user that the ration has been dispensed.
We have implemented 3 layers of security, including RFID card, fingerprint sensor, and a final verification through OTP.
We have named our project Ahara Dhaara, where Ahara signifies food and Dhara denotes constant flow. Thank you.